Hi, I'm Kim from Mosaic Tiles Australia. I just want to show you a quick way how we've done our seaweed. We've had a few people asking with our photos we posted this week of what's been done in class. So I'm just going to show you how we have done the seaweed quickly and just a couple of ideas for some leaves. So we're using stained glass. The two tools I'm using are running pliers and an oil-filled cutter. If you haven't used this before, they require a little bit of practice, and we do have other tutorials on our website on how to start off using cutting, but I'm just going to assume you can cut glass, so these are just ideas. So just for the seaweed, very easy. We're just going to have a nice straight edge is what we've done here, and it's just a wave, just in and out. And when you're cutting lines like this, you don't want to go too curvaceous, otherwise it will not give you a nice clean snip. I'm doing a point at the end. Running pliers have a little line on the top that helps you to snap your glass as they've got a curved jaw. So pick it up, just to the end. And make sure you're wearing your safety glasses. Line up your line with your score mark. Don't put it all the way in. Just a little bit, enough to give you pressure on either side. That's your first one there. And now you've basically got your basic wave to start with, so now you can do a few more. We'll just do a nice skinny one with this one. You want to hear that noise, it's going to give you a nice clean cut. And same thing again, back to a point. And we're going to do some smaller ones. So start from here. If you're having a little bit of a hard time getting that noise, that pressure, you can always put your thumb on top and just put your pressure on, extra pressure like that one there. So this one we're just going to do a nice small one. And one thing you don't want to do is drop off the end like that. You're going to blunt your wheel. So just kind of slow right down to the end. By snapping it, the run will help it to go right off. Always make sure that you give yourself a sweep after each cut. This is fine little glass shards. Then you continue on here, so we're going to get some more smaller ones. And that's just a couple of little different ways, some nice little stems, leaves, reef flowers, seaweed. Now the other thing I want to quickly show you while we're having a quick look is to do some nice leaves that we can do. So I'm just going to cut a small piece off. Now I'll show you a nice leaf. This is quite a nice one to do. I'm using this glass as stained glass forest, and as you can see all the different pigmentation, it's beautiful. So you don't really need to do too much. It's got all the nice veins. It gives you a nice natural leaf looking. So I'm going to cut out my leaf. You can draw these on. I've probably done about 100 of these. I remember how they go now, but that's a nice leaf shape we're going to do. Same thing again. We're going to snap that. Now that's going to be our leaf shape. You can keep it like this. It's actually quite a nice little leaf if you want to have it as a flower. Or this one I'm going to do a little bit different. We're going to run the cutter up the middle. Give it a little bit of a curve, and you want to snap it. Now make sure when you snap it, you put it down the way that it snaps. That way you're not going to lose, it's not going to flip over, you're not going to get mixed up which way it goes. And then I'm just going to run a couple of lines up here. Same thing again, when you snap it, make sure you hold on to it, pop it down the way that it's going to go. So that's going to be that one. This one. A little bit of a gap between each one. And back this way. I'm holding that so it's not going to flip over. And just by putting a little bit of a gap, it's going to give you a nice line up there when you put your grout in. And that's a nice little leaf. And we've got time for another quick one. I'll just show you how we do some grass in class. So I'm just going to get another smaller bit. Now this is a really nice one to do. So this is going to be grass. So you're doing some nice skinny petals. Giving a little bit of a curve. Snap those on the angle, the way I've started my cut, and back that way. I'm getting a few little shards there, see these ones here, so you just want to make sure you sweep away again. And that's your little leaves, you can leave them like that, or for the grass, I usually like to go up the centre of them. Just put them back to front, so we're going to go opposite. And that's your grass. Yeah, so I hope that's some ideas for you. There was a lady, I can't remember her name, but was asking on Facebook about this. I hope she sees this. I'll try and tag you in there. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you.